ASUS ScreenPad Plus gives you alternative ways to improve your efficiency when working on your projects and workflows. If you frequently use complicated key combinations, Quick Key can help you by replacing them with a single finger tap. For example, you can program it to open Windows settings and then minimize the window with just 2 taps. Also, the Quick Key profile will adjust to match the app you're using on the main screen. To personalize your Quick Key combinations, first open the app you wish to link Quick Key to, such as the note-taking app Evernote. Then simply tap the top left icon and add a new Quick Key group. Name the new group and start customizing your Quick Keys. Press the keys you wish to set up and name the Quick Key function. Then, press Link to App. Next time you open Quick Key with the app, the Quick Key group will automatically show up. Explore all the different ways of interacting with ScreenPad Plus to input text, numbers, or shortcuts in a more efficient way.